How to recover a hacked Instagram account. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you on a step-by-step process on how you can easily recover your hacked Instagram account. First, you want to head over to your web browser and then search for Instagram account hacked, and it will lead to a various links. You just want to find this one, the official Instagram support link. Just tap on it. But after this, it will ask you to continue in the app, so make sure that you have the app downloaded and just tap on open app. Now it will take you to the request Instagram support, and here you have to choose my account was hacked. Then tap on next, and it will ask you to identify your account, so you can enter your username or anything. Once you do that, just tap on next. So here are a various ways that you can recover your account. You can WhatsApp it to your number or your email, or send an SMS. But if you don't have access to any of these, you can tap on try another way. And here it will ask you that if you have any kind of selfie, video, photo on your account. But if you don't have it, just tap on no and tap on next. But if you have it, you can just go back and tap on yes and tap next. And here they will ask you if how they can reach you. So you want to enter an email address that is valid and you have access at this instant. So just enter an email address that you have access to. They will send a support link or a reset link, and from there you can easily recover your account. It might take a few days before Instagram replies or send you the email, but after they have sent you the link, just tap on the link to recover your account. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.